Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select odds format on the Flashscore application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you will be directed to the app's settings section. Now you should scroll down to the betting odds section, and here you can select the odds format. If you click on the second icon, as you can see here, you have like 6 options, so click on the relevant one, thereby updating the format of the odds on this application. And as you can see, you can also turn on this function saying show odds in the list of games. So if you want to turn on this function, just simply click on this button next to it. So these functions have been updated on the application. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.